Beneath the skin, ancient bones guide silent strength we hold inside. Beneath the skin, ancient bones guide silent strength we hold inside. Elephant, lion, wolf, and eagle soar. Horse and dolphin roam and explore. Elephant, lion, wolf, and eagle soar. Horse and dolphin roam and explore. Gorilla, deer, shark, and whale, guardians of an ancient trail. Gorilla, deer, shark,